Say you have a network diagram, you have a schedule, and that schedule says this project will finish in a month. But you take it back to the sponsors and they say, a month is not good enough, we need it in 3 weeks. What is the most likely thing you will say? Well, maybe if I can get more resources, I can do it in 3 weeks. So then you ask for more resources, which means more money, and say, I am going to have extra people working on these tasks. Which tasks? The critical path tasks. I hope you agree that it would be very foolish to throw extra resources at non-critical path tasks. You should only speed up the critical path tasks because that speeds up the project. What would be the point of speeding up non-critical path tasks, right? So crashing means take some resources extra and apply them to those tasks on the critical path, and hence those critical path tasks get sooner, and that shortens the project. It accelerates the project, right? And does crashing cause more cost? Yes, crashing causes more cost, right? What is fast tracking? Another schedule compression technique. At least 3 or 4 questions asking you to distinguish between crashing and fast tracking. In fast tracking, you do not ask for more resources, but what you do is things that were supposed to be done in sequence, like when 5 is done, so this guy does some tasks for 5 days. This guy does tasks from 6 to 10 days, and this guy does tasks from 11 to 15 days. So you have 15 days, right? In fast tracking, you say, okay, this second guy, please don't wait for the first guy to finish. Can you start doing your work when this guy is 60% done? What have you done? You have fast tracked this guy, right? And then you also tell this third guy, hey, you cannot wait until he's fully done. You've got to start when this guy is 60% done. So what have you done? You have fast tracked the project from 15 days to 11 days. Does fast tracking increase cost? Not necessarily. But what does fast tracking cause? Risks. It increases the risk because there was a reason why you guys had planned initially to start this guy on the 6th day. But now you have people getting into each other's way. They are sort of stepping on each other's toes. But again, that's needed because the project has to be done in 11 days and not 15 days.